smoking behavior correlates with myeloproliferative neoplasms as well as clonal hematopoiesis of indeterminate potential, which is quite interesting and made us wonder what about smoking exposure could possibly encourage the expansion of MPN driver clones and or other CHIP mutant clones. Now, the information about smoking or combustible, just standard cigarettes, has been studied, has much more time to be studied. However, the impact of e-cigarette smoke is absolutely unknown. And this is an important avenue to understand how e-cigarette smoke impacts hematopoiesis, both normal hematopoiesis and malignant hematopoiesis, just because of the enormous number of enthusiasm for e-cigarettes, unfortunately. And we don't fully know the negative health consequences of this. We looked at the impact of nose-only e-cigarette smoke in wild-type mice. And the importance of nose-only is that better recapitulates smoking in a human, because if you give whole body, they'll lick and it'll also be coming through their mouth. So it's important to do nose only. Interestingly, with e-cigarette smoke, we found a reduction in myeloid progenitors in wild type mice, which was interesting and honestly quite surprising to us. What we're looking at now is testing the impact of e-cigarette smoke exposure on the expansion of mutant cells such as JAK2 mutant cells, DNMT3A, and TET2 mutant cells in mouse models.